this next part, I've already found R net and I net. So I know that 10 amps is going to be leaving my battery, and I can figure out how it splits. I'm going to find the current everywhere in the circuit right now. The 10 amps comes to this point and then splits, with some going that way and some going the other way. This node here is the same as this node here, which is the same as this node here. This is a little overwhelming to look at, but I can address the split here where I have 10 amps coming in, some goes this way, some goes that way. This branch as a whole is 10, and that's 40. So I know that this branch is going to get less of the current. This branch is going to get more of the current. How many times more? 4 times more. So 10 equals X plus 4X, or X equals 2 amps. Meaning this branch gets 2 and this branch gets 8. This branch gets 2, this branch gets 8. Up here, 2, 8. These 2 amps will travel through each of these resistors and come back here to join up with the other branch. As for this split, when the 8 amps gets to here, it will split. I'm going to handle the split by looking at this. Which of these gets less? That one gets less. This one gets more. How many times more? 3 times more. 8 equals X plus 3X. X is 2 amps. So 2 amps will go this way. 6 amps will go this way. 2 and 6 join back up to make 8. 8 and 2 join back up to make 10. And now we're to another split. For looking at this split, I am going to look at this point on the resistor, or on the circuit. These branches are easy to see. This one gets less, this one gets twice as much. 10 amps going in. X will equal 10/3. .33 amps. So 3.33 amps goes this way. Twice as much goes over here because it's 2x. 6.67 amps. They'll join back up at this point. We have 10 amps again, running 10 to here, and now we need to split. For this, I'm going to look here. This one will get the most, has the most resistance, will get the least amount of current. This one will get 6 times as much, because 10 goes into 60 6 times. The 20 has 1/3 of the resistance of the 60, so it'll get 3 times as much current. So bringing in 10 amps here. 10 equals X plus 3X plus 6X. X is 1. 1 amp. 3X, 3 amps, 6 amps. Join back together to 10, and it'll be 10 all the way back to the battery. These problems are a lot of work up front. And you'll see that in the next part of the video, when I go to find information about individual resistors, now that I have the current everywhere, it's going to be really easy to do that part.